While traveling around Poland, I found that Wrocław is one of the most beautiful cities around Europe, and I definitely needed to come back here, and now I'm here as a student.
The Institute of Political Science offers BA, MA and PhD programs taught in English. To study in a European, vibrant, friendly city, Wrocław is the place.
I'm really glad that 2 years ago I have decided to apply to University of Wrocław. I hope it will help me somehow get a dream job in the future. Good relationship between teachers and students influence our efficiency, and it's really great.
Our bachelor program was considered as outstanding by the Polish Accreditation Committee in 2013, which we're quite proud of.
Among different programs, the Institute of Political Science offers you double degree organized together with Georgian Institute of Public Affairs.
Professors here, they treat you as equal. You can have a good talk with them, a good chat with them, and they're not going to degrade you.
I'm a new employee at the universities. Coming back to Wrocław, because I'm originally from Wrocław but I live in Warsaw, is very sweet for me, because first of all I'm in my beloved city, and the university, I must say, is a very good institution, and the welcome was very warm. New stage of my life started here, and I'm very happy about that.
Like most professors and most teachers are talking to you as more to a friend than to someone like on the lower level or something like that. And the variety of international students here is also pretty high, which is very inspiring, and you can always, it's easy to divide social life, and you can hang out with people who you study, and you can do different projects which are fun and stuff, so yeah.
I take care of the welfare of our international students. Part of these activities is our football team, which is under my supervision. Football is communication.
We try our best to achieve research excellence. We organize conferences. Join us to start your academic career.